Hello and welcome to the Current Affairs Show today. Today is 28/5/2021 and today we will be discussing all the important current affairs. So the first news is Dr. Harshvardhan virtually participates in a meeting with the Ministers of Health of the NAM countries. हर्षवर्धन जो हमारे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं उन्होंने नैम कंट्रीज की मीटिंग हुई है उसमें वर्चुअली पार्टिसिपेट किया है। तो हम लोग नैम के बारे में जानते हैं। नैम को कुछ होता है नॉन अलाइन्ड मूवमेंट। नैम स्टैंड्स फॉर नॉन अलाइन्ड मूवमेंट। इट वाज फाउंडेड in 1961. Its headquarters is in central Jakarta, which is in Indonesia, and its president is Ilham Aliyev. That's all the important facts about NAM. And Dr. Harshvardhan has participated in the meeting, which was held virtually. Now we will move on to the next news. Now we know Sienna Rao. He has received International Emmy Award for the year 2020. International Emmy Award is known as the Nobel Prize in the field of energy research. So, in exams, two type of question can come that which prize is known as the Nobel Prize in Energy Research. So that is the International Emmy Prize, and who has been awarded with this prize? That is Sienna Rao. In the past, he was also awarded with Bharat Ratna. Let's know some facts about Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna was instituted in the year 1954, and the first person who was awarded Bharat Ratna was C.V. Raman. So here is the news. Sienna Rao has been awarded with the International Emmy Award. International Emmy Award is Nobel Prize in the Energy Research field. It will be given on 14th October 2021. Official ceremony is going to be held in the Quirinal Palace, which is in Rome, and the award will be given by Sergio Mattarella, who is the President of the Italian Republic. This was all the detail about this Emmy Award, International Emmy Award 2020. Who is going to get this? This is Sienna Rao. Emmy Award is also known as the Nobel Prize in Energy Research. What is the date on which it is going to be given? Then that it is 14th October 2021. Where is the award ceremony going to be held? And that is in Rome, Quirinal Palace. Who is going to give the award? It is Sergio Mattarella. He is from the President of the Italian Republic. Hope this news will be clear to all. Now let's move further with our next news. So here is the news about some virtual trade fair. It was the second edition of the virtual trade fair, which was organized by APEDA, which focuses on horticulture products. It was organized between 27 to 29 May 2021. Okay. APEDA comes under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. APEDA stands for Agriculture and Processed Food Products Exports Development Authority. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Chairman is Mr. Ashit Tripathi, and it was founded in the year 1985. So, in this slide, we have come to know about APEDA, Agriculture and Processed Foods Export Development Authority. It has organized the virtual trade fair between 27 to 29 May 2011. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Ashit Tripathi is its chairman, and it was founded in the year 1985. Let's move further with the next news. So this is all about the Bharat Ratna. You can go through it. As told you, it is given in the field of art, literature, and science, and produced in 1954. You can see the image of this Bharat Ratna award from the front and from the back side. Let's move ahead. So here is the news regarding our Defence Minister Sri Rajnath Singh. Sri Rajnath Singh has launched Sehat OPD. Sehat, about this, it was organized last year on August 2020. The trial version was made functional in August 2020, but now This portal has been completely launched. Sehat OPD. This is for the health assistant, for the current armed force veterans, armed force personnel, and for their families members. So basically, what can come in the exam is that who has launched Sehat OPD? So it has been launched by our Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh. What is the full form of Sehat? It services e-health assistant and teleconsultation. As for services, E stands for e-health, electronic health assistance and teleconsultation. Services e-health assistant and teleconsultation. This is about the Sehat OPD. Okay. Services e-health assistant and teleconsultation. Services e-health assistant and teleconsultation. Now, we all know about Paytm. Paytm is going to launch its IPO during the November or December of this year. So it is planning to launch IPO. Let me tell you what is IPO. So there are two terms: IPO and another one is FPO. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. Whenever any company raises its share first time in the market, then that is known as the initial public offering. And FPO stands for Follow-up Public Offering, when any company introduces its share after second time or the third time, then that is known as the Follow-up Public Offering. So Paytm is going to launch India's biggest IPO during the end of this year. It is aiming to raise about rupees 21,800 crore to this IPO. This data is important for exam. Directly they can ask the question. Let's know some facts about Paytm. Its founder is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. It was founded in the year 2009. Headquarters is in Noida. So Paytm headquarters is in Noida. Airtel Payment Bank headquarters is in Gurugram. India Post Payment Bank, Jio Payment Bank, it's Mumbai, Fino Mumbai. Okay. These are some one-liners. For example, ICICI Bank links UPI ID facility to its pockets digital wallet. It can be asked, pockets digital wallet is of which bank? So it is of ICICI Bank. What is the tagline of ICICI Bank? It's Hum Hai Na Khayal Aapka. It was instituted in the year 1994. Yes Bank. Yes Bank has introduced TransUnion's onboarding solution. Okay. Yes Bank was launched in the year 2004, and its tagline is "Experience our expertise." Now, BioHub facility has been launched by WHO in collaboration with Switzerland. Switzerland and WHO has launched BioHub facility. This is first BioHub facility which is being launched. There is Mohali International Stadium, which has been renamed after Padma Shri Balbir Singh Senior. Mohali International Hockey Stadium is in Punjab. So it has been renamed after Padma Shri. Now here are some revision of the important appointment. Ajay Seth has been appointed as the CB of the Director of the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India. This is an important appointment. Ajay Seth, who is he? He is the Director of the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India. Who is Rajesh Tindal? Rajesh Tindal is the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. ASICS ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाए गए हैं रविंद्र जडेजा. Who is the brand ambassador of ASICS? It's Ravindra Jadeja. Hope you all know who is Ravindra Jadeja. He is the founder of our Indian cricket team and is known as Sir Ravindra Jadeja. In IPL, he hit 37 runs in 1 over. ASICS is the Japanese sports brand. और उसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाए गए रविंद्र जडेजा. तो होप पहला दिन आपको क्लियर होगा. राजेश बिंदल, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट. Ajay Seth, Director of the Board, Central Board of the RBI. Vaishali Hipstead. She is the first woman commanding officer in BRO. BRO stands for Border Road Organization. अभी 7 मई को BRO का स्थापना दिवस मनाया गया था. 7 मई। 7 मई को इसका स्थापना दिवस मना है। वैशाली शिक्षक कौन है? तो फर्स्ट वुमेन कमांडिंग ऑफिसर इन BRO। भारत अर्थ मूवर लिमिटेड BEML, इसके CMD अमित बनर्जी जी बना गए हैं। एक्सिस बैंक के MD या CEO अमिताभ चौधरी। ठीक है। जस्टिस विमला सिंह कपूर, अभी इनको छत्तीसगढ़ हाईकोर्ट का जज अपॉइंट किया गया है। तो आप लोग को रिवीजन हो गया होगा करंट अफेयर, ये इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट्स का। जैसे डायरेक्टर बना गया है सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ RBI के। कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस बना गया है राजेश कुंडल। वरुण जडेजा को आशीष का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया गया। वैशाली से सी हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट वुमेन कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ द BRO। BRO का रेजिंग डे कब मनाते हैं? 7 मई को। ठीक है। भारत एर्थ मूवर लिमिटेड के CMD कौन बने हैं? अमित बनर्जी, अमिताभ चौधरी, MD and CEO ऑफ एक्सिस बैंक। ओके। Justice Vimla Singh Kapoor, she has been appointed as the judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court. Hope this slide will be clear to you all. Let's recap it once again. Ajay Seth, Director of the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India. Justice Rajesh Kundal, Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, that was now COVID. Ravindra Jadeja, Brand Ambassador of ASICS, Japanese Sports Brand. Vaishali Hipse, First Commanding Officer in BRO. Let's move further. So we are towards the end of our session. Let's recap RBI governors. So governor is Shaktikant Das. There are 4 deputy governors in RBI: M.K. Jain, M.D. Patra, M.R. Rao, and P. Ravi Shankar. Okay. Hope you all know him. Shaktikant Das. 4 deputy governors: M.K. Jain, M.D. Patra, M.R. Rao, and P. Ravi Shankar. So here is the end of our session, and the question of the day is, what is the theme of the 2021 World Culture Day? You have to answer it in the comment section. I will be telling about this in the next video. So have a very good day, and thank you.